Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video, I want to show you how to make a background or a photo transparent in Canva. This is slightly different than removing the background entirely. This is just to make a photo maybe more transparent if you're trying to add it as an actual background in a presentation or in a post that you are creating in a project. So here I have a wonderful landscape photo, but I'd like to make it transparent because I'd like to add some titles or shapes on top of it. So in the top right corner of your editing screen, you'll find this square that has dark squares to light squares. This is your transparency button. Once you have whatever you would like to make more transparent, click on that transparency button. And then you'll notice you can toggle between how transparent you would like the photo to be. Now this is going to be the background of a image or of a post that I'm making. So I think about here is good. It's just enough transparent. And then I can go ahead and add any of the shapes or elements that I'm looking to add on top of this. Let's say I want to add a text. There you have it. So I hope this video was helpful for you in how to make an image, a photo, or background more transparent in Canva. If this video was helpful for you, go ahead and like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all of our tech tips. Catch you in the next video.